It is Monday, March 9th, 2020. Just wanted to show here really quick. Hit a code 7 trade on the YM, a short trade that I took, code 7. It's showing that I'm up 37,757, but that is not correct. In my portfolio monitor, I am up 42,378. So that's how much I made from the trade. 42,378. And for the code 7 on the HSI, let's go take a look at it. Okay, this is the HSI Hong Kong stock index, and I made 1,000 ticks on it, 249,959 Hong Kong dollars, which is like 32,000 US dollars. And so I made 32,000 on here and 42,000 on the YM. Basically hit 1,000 ticks on both trades. These were code 7 signals, which also were code 4. And so I used a code 7 entry into a code 4 trade and hit the 1,000 ticks. So I'm up 1,000 ticks here. Now I'm looking for more signals. In fact, we're about to get a code 7 signal again on the HSI here, and I'm going to take it. Right now, I am making over 2,000 ticks a month on the code 7 for the HSI and over 2,000 ticks per month on the YM HSI. Both code 7. Right now, I'm using the code 5 and the code 4 as well, but mostly I'm just taking code 7 trades and using the code 4 and code 5 as direction, using the code 7 as entry. So that's basically what I'm doing. But the code 7, there is just nothing like it. And well, all of them, code 4, code 5, and code 7, there's just nothing like them. And for all of you traders out there, code 1, code 2, and code 3 simply cannot compare. It just cannot compare. For instance, see this huge gap down? Code 7 already told me that that was going to happen. I was already in before it even happened. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. There's nothing like it out there. If you really want to make the big money, you need to come over to the more advanced and higher codes. The code 4, the code 5, and the code 7. You literally can make an absolute fortune from this. But I don't think it will last forever. So I highly suggest that you get on the bandwagon now, get signed up, get the signals, start trading them. There's nothing but money to be made. I am hitting one trade after another. Like for instance, I'm going to take an HSI code 7 signal. I'm just going to go for 180 ticks. If you go for 180 ticks on every trade, you'll hit it almost 100% of the time. Almost, not quite, but you'll come close. You'll come about 90% or close to it. Let's put it this way. You'll never lose because it'll go up. It'll either hit your exit for 180 or it'll come back to a break-even stop. So you never lose on the trade. So it really is absolutely incredible, these higher codes and these signals that I'm sending out. Anyway, guys, jump on the bandwagon, get signed up for the signals, start making your money. It won't last forever. I can just tell you that right now. It won't last forever. They will do things to try and put a stop to it, but right now they don't know what's going on, and I'm not teaching these codes, so it's going to be, they have an uphill battle trying to figure out what I'm doing and how to stop it. But for right now and for the near future, we got them. We absolutely got them. So jump on the bandwagon. The money is there to be made. Okay, I'm going to go. I'll be back with more trading and, of course, signals. This takes a lot of work for me to send these signals out because I have to figure out the codes and then send the signal out and everything. It's a lot of work, but it's paying off, making a lot of money from this. We're going to get another signal here on the HSI, and I don't know if it's going to be a short or long, but whatever it's going to be, I'll send out the signal, take the trade myself, get it on camera, show it to you. I want you to see for yourself the absolute incredible success with these signals so that you can get yourself signed up and start making the money for yourself. Okay, I'll be back with more trading and more signals.